Now, in this video, we will going to discuss about one more problem, how to solve the projections of points by using the concept and also by using AutoCAD software. A point capital R is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Another point capital S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. The distance between the projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 50 mm. Find the distance between top view of point capital R and capital S. So here he has given, first we're going to discuss about this. A point R is 25 mm above HP. Above HP always comes above XY line. So you first we're going to draw the XY line. From here we're going to measure above HP by 25 mm and you mark that point because above HP is actually the front view. So since it is point capital R, so obviously that point will be R dash. And 20 mm in front of VP always comes below XY line. From here you measure 20 mm and you mark that point as small r, which is in front of VP always comes on HP. Since the image is on HP, so it is the top view. Another point S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. So if you want to take this point, this is the projector P. So this line is projector R and we need to project the point S. But the distance between the projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 50 mm. So from this projector, you measure 50 mm and draw a vertical projector. And since point S is on HP, so obviously the image will go to falls on VP. Since the image is on VP, so obviously that point is front view. So that will be small s dash. And 30 mm behind VP will always comes above XY line. So from XY line, you measure 30 mm to the above XY line and you mark that point as small s. And find the distance between the top views of point capital R and capital S. So then join between this point R and S. Then you measure the distance between R and S. So the distance between R and S will be equal to 70.71. So this is how we will be able to solve this problem by manually. Now we will go how to solve the problem by using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first the command is limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom all. Now we'll go for a line command. You're going to consider any point on line and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you drag the mouse to the upper, to the top side, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. And then go to offset, take the distance as 297. So select object to offset, you select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And again, by default exit, you come out, again go to the offset, take the distance as 210. So select this horizontal line and project to the top, offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet, zoom, extends and then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, between this line and this line and between this and this. Then go to zoom window. Then go to text. So specify start point, take some point, take the height as 4, then the rotation angle of text as 0. And now we're going to point capital R is 25 mm above HP. So the problem number is 32. A point capital R, a point capital R is 25 mm above HP. Point capital R is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Then another point S is on HP. Another point S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP and 30 mm and 30 mm behind VP. The distance between their projectors the distance between their projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 50 of HP and VP is 50 mm. Find the distance between top views. Find the distance between the top views of point capital R and capital S. Then comes out of this, then zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Then we will try to solve this particular problem or to translate this. So to do that, first we'll go for the layer command. Click on new, type the layer by name XY. Click on new, type the layer by name front view, and click on new, type the layer by name top view. So now line weight of layer 0 is 0.05, then XY line 0.13, then the front view will always have a magenta color and the top view will going to have the red color. Then close this. Then take some arbitrary point, then go to line command. So first we're going to draw the XY line, and then you draw this vertical line and offset by 50 and proceed. So to do that, so first I will go for a line, take some arbitrary point and draw a horizontal line, and again you take this point and draw a vertical line here. Then go to offset, take the distance of 25 mm above the XY line and offset it, and again offset, take the XY line and go to the below 20 mm. So go to the offset, go to 25 mm. 25 mm above HP will going to come above XY line, and again go to offset, take the distance as 20 and you select this and offset, offset, take the distance as 20 and offset this on this side. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly fillet between this line and this line. Then go to offset, take the distance as 50. So you select this, offset the distance as 50, then you erase this top line and also you erase this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and you object to trim as this. And 30 mm behind VP, so go to offset, take the distance as 30 and you select this, and then you go to extend, select this as the boundary edge, then object to extend as this. Then go to erase this line, then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Once you do that, now the problem is over. Now what we need to do is we need to put the donuts now. So to put the donuts, go to donut DO, inside diameter is 0, outside diameter is 3, take the center of donut as end of this, then take intersection point of this, then take end of this, and also you take the end of this now. Once you do that, now we will name them XY. Now we'll go for the text. Select some arbitrary point, take the height as 3, rotation angle of text as 0, and you mark this as X, and you mark this as Y, and this is R dash, small r dash, and this is small r, and this is S dash, and this is S. Then zoom window, you select this, go to line, take center of this and take center of this. So join between these two. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, and you move these things appropriately, like as we take near to this. And these are all just to show that the points are nearer to the point, near to the marking point. Now we'll go for change. You select this go to CH. So first we're going to change the line thickness of this as 0.13. So you go for XY. Then you take this thing and these two, go to CH, go to layer, make this as front view now. Then again you take this and you take this, go to CH, go to layer, make this as top view. Once you do that, then go to DDIM, then go to modify primary units, you make it as 0. Then you go to text, take it as 3, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, and this will going to be 2. Lines and symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and this lines as offset from the origin as 2. Say OK and then close. Now we will go for dim, then take center of this and take intersection point of this. So here we're going to get 25. Then again go to center of this and take INT of this. So we're going to get 20. Then nearest point on this and perpendicular to this. So we're going to get 50. Then go to center of this. Then go to center of this. And you're going to get 30 here. Then go to distance. Take center of this and take center of this. So here we are going to get it as 70.71 is the answer. So that means it will measure the distance from R and S. So that is what we have got, 70.71, and hence your problem is right. So now we need to mention that. So I'll go for dim. So go to center of this. Then go to center of this. So here we are going to get this dimension. So go to text, give space, enter, and then place it wherever you want. You can place it somewhere here so that you will not be able to get into this. So go to the text. So here you type text type 0, rotation angle as 0. So type capital L equals question mark. Then go to rotate. Rotate this. Select this and you rotate to that angle. Then go to move. Keep it wherever you want. Then go to answer. So here you just go to the text and type answers or answer. So here you take the text again. So you take L is equal to 70.71 mm. So then go to line, put on the ortho mode. So you put it in a box. So here I have not typed yum. So I need to edit this. I will go for DD edit. So the text is already written. I want to modify the same text. So I'm going to use DD edit command. So L is equal to 70.71 mm. So now we will go for a line command. So I will going to draw a line in the box and like this, and then go to fillet in this line and this line. Then go to move, switch off this ortho mode and place it wherever I want. So this is how the problem on this projections of points on this can be worked out. And these are all the things whatever you need to specify. We have given all the dimensions, and also is asked for the find the distance between the top views of capital R and capital S. So that is the distance between the top views of R and S will be 70.71 when you are doing it in computer. When you are doing it in manual, it will be 71. This is how we will be able to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. Thank you.